Sanbonani. So Mamelodi Sundowns 0. And then the team that they were playing against, which is coached by one of the coaches that I actually have a lot of respect for, team Kamangoba Mneti Abafana Westende, they've just won this game. So yeah, I don't wanna lie, like this league this season is gonna be interesting, very but we're gonna be seeing which like our teams Kukune is gonna be in the underdogs, but at into a league or Orlando Pirates, as they said, that's actually their priority, very but what's league. And this is the season vela bokumele amabhakani aphakame if things they just continue going like that. So yeah, obvious that this is not okay on paper. This is one of my matches where like Moses with the Wapega Vela will be speaking about Kutina. Arrows vela they'll be playing deep, and then Sundowns they'll be like more offensive, they'll be more attacking them. But Arrows being led by one of the like best coaches about coaching like Onenkani available, even a coach that always talks a lot. One of the coaches that actually talks a lot to Mangoba Mniti available, and he speaks and is not the type of coaches of like criticize my teams, and then after that he wouldn't allow it to me. And today he actually showed the way abafana bakhe vele bayile badlala ngakhona, even somehow angazi into Golden Arrow they just became PSG or Barcelona or what, because like game plan yabo it was actually going well, and they even created many opportunities. They were even like robbed at some time on point.